I made an app called PotterDodge, and at 10:26 p.m. on December 31st, 2019, I submitted it to the App Store. Unfortunately, it was rejected by the App Store 7 hours later. Yes, I found out on New Year's. Not a great start to 2020. This was actually my second submitted app. The first one was rejected too, but that's okay because I did learn a whole lot while making both apps. And I also realized that I should have taught myself Kotlin instead. It's for Android programming because Android Play Store accepts practically any app that doesn't crash. Anyways, getting to the point. I started using Xcode and Swift when I was making the first app called Gotta Go, and I taught myself how to make utility apps for that one. And this one was a game, so it was very different. Additionally, I have a much better idea of what kind of apps App Store doesn't want. Although neither are on the App Store, both are on GitHub, and the link is in the description box, so definitely go check that out. Since my friends really liked the beta version of this game, I decided to make a video about it. So here we go. So when you open the game, the default character is Harry Potter, and the goal is to get Harry Potter or whatever character you have between as many hoops as you can. So it's kind of based off the Flappy Bird style. There are 3 characters or avatars to choose from: Harry, Malfoy, and Ron. Now let's just move into a clip of the actual game.